Ah, yes, this is peak gameplay.
Yep. Hold on. First rush. Let me buy this. Push me.
Alright. Ooh. First prize jump scare.
No. Man, I don't care.
Q1.
And,
Oh, 6, 7!
he's coming.
He's coming. Yo, it's the puppet guy.
Oh, man.
You get detention. 10, 9, 8 seconds remain. 7 seconds remain. 6, 5,
4, 3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
And there you go. Baldi reaction.
I've already been here.
It looks like it was recorded on like a microwave.
Go away. I don't know you.
20 seconds. Surely you can get out of this one.
He's right there.
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah, juke him. I juke him. I'll juke him.
How are you playing with the subtitles? They're like
Never mind.
covering half of the
I saw
screen.
baldi get swept away, so I think I'm fine.
I barely saw anything. Oh, that makes me sad. Schlap, schlap.
Oh, first of all, I'm not running.
Playing stall zone. Nah.
No, 10, 11, 12,
8.
13, 14, 15. Alright, it's 15.
This is hard. Oh! You put 150!
Gosh darn it.
So, like, when you go through it again, he doesn't hear you anymore.
Giant cake.
Giant cake, eat it.
I can't.
No, man.
Oh, shoot, he's over there. I wasn't expecting him to
Go,
come
go.
over there.
Quick! Please remember to recycle your foof. Oh, there you go. I guess now you gotta get to the party, I think. I don't know. All you need to do is get out while you still can. Oh, get out. Let's Joe bus.
First prize, help me.
Oh my god.
Come on.
That was like
First
near.
prize. Okay, well, the school's slightly red now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's more red.
And now it's more red.
It's redder.
Wow, this is I really love the bitrate on this. Oh hi, welcome to my demo. Wait, this is demo man. What? Get your prize, a shiny quarter. Holy. Whoa, that thing's going ham. Get it, ham? For my new TF2 thing.
Yeah.
Is now playing Helldivers 2. How did?
Unfortunately, I can't do that. One tech where like you hide in a locker. He says, "I know you're in there," and then you leave while he's saying that.
Kind of the chain of events, like, oh, yeah.